What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sadie's Live. My name is Sadie. Today we will be unboxing this ultimate crystal garden. Isn't this going to be cool? So, let's start. Okay, open this. Oh, this is weird. There's a tray. Okay, so we have some markers. One, two, 3 stands. And what is this? Oh, it's a little crystal. It's a real crystal. Here's some gel. More gel. And more gel. I'll raise it up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, it's actually water. Oh, it says do not eat, but I'm guessing it's water. These like molds. This is like, oh, these look like fall trees and more fall trees. That's weird. Pretty cool. And ooh, there's more. A learning guide. Oh, there's some facts. There's some facts about crystal gardens. Oh, and here are the instructions. Okay. And there should be one more thing. Okay. I think that's it. Today we were doing the unboxing. Remember to join me for my next video where we will be making the crystals. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. And make sure to comment down below if you like this video. Bye!